Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Activity dictation of sounds, A to F. Look at the pictures on the top of the page. Each picture represents a word that starts with a letter from A to F. Let's say their names together and write the beginning sound. 1 apple. What is the first sound in apple? A for apple. Write A on the lines. 2 balloons. What sound do we hear at the beginning of balloons? B for balloons. Write B on the lines. 3 cat. What is the first sound in cat? C for cat. Write C on the lines. 4 dog. What sound do we hear at the beginning of dog? D for dog. Write D on the lines. 5 elephant. What is the first sound in elephant? E for elephant. Write E on the lines. 6 fish. What sound do we hear at the beginning of fish? F for fish. Write F on the lines. Great job, everyone. Now let's move to the next part of our activity. Part 2. Find and circle the F words. Now let's play a fun game. Look at the pictures in the pink box below. Find the pictures that begin with the letter F and circle them. Let's say the names together. Elephant starts with E no. Butterfly starts with B no. Fish starts with F. Yes, it starts with F. Now circle and color it. Drum starts with D, not. Flag starts with F. Yes, it starts with F. Now circle and color it. Apple starts with A, no. Camel starts with C, no. Fox starts with F. Yes, it starts with F. Now circle it. The correct answers are fish, flag, and fox. You did a wonderful job today. We learned the beginning sounds of A to F and identified words starting with F. Practice more at home by finding objects that start with A, B, C, D, E, and F. Great work, everyone. See you next time for another fun activity.